I finally did get some gel coat on this roballo on Thursday. Today's Saturday, but this is nice and dry. It's cold out, freezing right now, like 40s, 30s, high 30s. I was worried about this drying, but it was 60s, almost 70s on Thursday, and dropped down quick Friday, but it's feeling really good. I was going to try wet sanding it out yesterday, but decided to let it go ahead and cure up a bit more, and this feels really good. So that's an update on roballo. I'm gonna probably wet sand this out Tuesday. That's what I'm thinking, and then I can figure out what I'm gonna do about all this metal. So I don't know. If you made it this far, go ahead, please subscribe. And like and share. You know the deal. Thanks for watching.